This is question number 5, and in this question the part A is it is about symmetry. The diagram shows part of a figure that has AB as its line of symmetry. Complete the figure. So this is the figure given here, and this line AB, this dotted line, is the line of symmetry of this dark line, which is half of the figure. So we have to complete the rest half part of this figure using this line of symmetry. Okay, let me focus this question. So in this question we have to concentrate on the vertices of this diagram. Look at this vertex first. This vertex is already on the line of symmetry, so we need not to draw any other vertex. Okay, so let me mark this one. Come to this point and this one. So okay, so now we have to draw a perpendicular from this point to this line of symmetry. So that will be on this diagonal of this square. Okay, so this is perpendicular from here and extend it. So this is second point, and let me join this point with this. Now the third vertex is this one, and draw again perpendicular from this point to line of symmetry, and that will be on this diagonal, and extend this. So this is another point. Join this point with this one as well. Now come to this point. Now this is last point, and it is on this side. Okay, so draw from here a perpendicular from this point to this line of symmetry, and this is the perpendicular. Extend it further up till here. So this is the last point, and now join this with this, and this has our figure is complete now. So this is how we have completed the figure. Now if you fold this figure upon this line of symmetry, so every corner on one side of line of symmetry will overlap on the other side of the line of symmetry. This point will overlap upon this will overlap over this, and this will overlap over this. So I have used the concept of perpendicular from point on the figure to the line of symmetry, and with that concept I have completed this figure. Hope you understand this. Okay, in the B part of the question, in the B part, in the diagram 6 small squares are shaded. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Shade 2 more small squares so that the completed diagram has rotational symmetry of order 4. So order 4 mean if we try to rotate this figure 4 times, so the figure will look same. Right now if you rotate this figure, okay, look here, this is some line of, this is 2 consecutive shade over here. If you rotate this, look here, if you rotate this, yeah, it also has 2 shade, but here if you rotate further, third time, so their boxes are, only one box is shaded and this box is not shaded. So it does not look same when we rotate it a third time. So it means this figure has no rotational symmetry right now. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to shade 2 more squares in it. So first of all, what we have to understand, what does order 4 mean? It means that if we rotate this figure through 360 degree in a full circle rotation, that is 360 degree, and it looks same 4 times. If we divide this 360 by 4, it will give us 90 degree. It means that at every 90 degree turn this figure will look same. So for that, to attain that rotational symmetry, we have to shade two more squares, which is mentioned in the question. So let's come to first look at this outer border of this figure. So okay, look here. Let me put my pencil over here in the here. So let me call this 0 box. Let me focus this 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And look here 0, 1. The box number 1 is black now. So 3, 4. Okay. And start from here to downward. Again 0, 1. This one box should be colored. So let me color this. Okay. So 3, 4, 5. Again from in this direction. So start from here 0, 1. So box number 1 is already black here. 3, 4, 5. Now go upward direction again. 0, 1. The one box is already again colored. So I have checked the rotation symmetry in the outer border. Let's come to this in the second. Come to the inner area like this one. Start again from here 0, 1, 2. So 0 and 2 box are colored. So the same pattern should be observed in the rest of the figure. Start from here in this direction 0, 1, 2. So see, this box should be colored again. So come this direction 0, 1, 2. So in this direction 0 and box number 2 is already colored. Go upward again 0, 1, 2. So 0 and box number 2 is already colored. So okay, so we have seen this border as well. Come to the inner side, which is already white, which is only one box left, so no need to check that. So now in this figure we have colored two boxes, and let us check whether this has now rotation symmetry for order 4. So what we have to do, we have to rotate this figure 90-degree turn, and at every 90-degree turn this should look same. In the previous rotation we have seen that on the third turn the figure was not same as it looks as it looks in the second and first turn. Okay, let me turn this. So 90-degree turn. Look, the figures look same again 90-degree, it looks same. Give it more turn, and 90-degree, it looks same. And one more turn, 90-degree turn, so it looks same again. So after shading, this is how we have shaded two more boxes, and shading those two boxes. So after that, this figure has attained the rotational symmetry of order 2. Thank you for watching this video.